guys, welcome to my crib. So today here on the Tiny Show, we are going to show you how I'm living out here in these LA streets. So come on this way. So the first stop is going to be our guest bathroom here. I just love it. Just look at this. It's just so beautiful. And then, you know,
You gotta edit that out.
what?
I got it in the camera.
And then that's our bathroom, the little toilet over there. And then if you come over here, we have the kitchen area. Here's the stove, you know, the little toaster, seasoning, you know, cabinets and stuff like that. And we have the refrigerator. You don't have food in here yet, okay? We gotta go grocery shopping. And then over here you have the dishwasher, the trash can. Boop. You got the sink. You got cabinets with the cups. Oh, I just love this effect with it. You know, I'm so short and stuff. And then you have the wine glasses over here. Really. And then down here we have the plates and stuff. So yeah, I'm super excited about this. So let's come on down this way. We have a little kitchen table. Voila, isn't it nice? And then come through here. We have the little dining area where, you know, we all sit and stuff like that. And then you come on down this way. We have the living room. We have a balcony over here. So let's go out here and check out this scenery, you guys. So look at this. This is a nice view. I just love it out here. I enjoy all of this. So let's go back in here and let's go to the master. Let's go to the master. This door's so hard to open. So we're gonna come back up to the stairs. We're gonna go upstairs to the master. Catching my booty. Oh, it's a lot of stairs, you guys. So prepare yourself. Gosh, all of these stairs. So when you come up here, we have the master. So, you know, we have two big windows, this nice bed. We have the TV and the fireplace. Oh, I just love that.
You had to edit that part. I got the slippers in it.
It's fine. And then over here is the bathroom, you guys. I just love this bathroom. Oh, I'm so happy about this. I love this tub. I think this is my favorite thing in the house. I love the shower. Isn't it gorgeous, you guys? So in here, it's just a closet, nothing to see. So I'm gonna take you down to my other 3 bedrooms I have. Come on. Stairs. How many minutes are we?
4.
Is it?
It's 4:30. Yep.
So let's come on down these stairs here. Take a walk with me on this nice journey. So right here at this door, this is the washer and dryer. Here, this is a little, you know, closet. And then over here, this is where we keep, you know, sheets and stuff like that, extra storage, all that good stuff. So come into this room. This is one of the bedrooms. You know, it's very simple, nothing major. And then the closet. You know, it's for my guests, you know, because all of that. And then we have this nice bathroom here. I just love it. It's just so cute. And we just walk on down. And then if you come in here, we actually have like storage for here, linen closet, and then you have this nice shower. I just love it down here. And then if you come on in a little bit more, you have this part, the 2 vanities, sink vanities. I just love it. It's so cute over here. And then if you come over here, you know, we have another bedroom. Excuse the little mess we have, but we have that. And then this room here, it actually has a balcony on it. So let's come on out here. Sorry. So we have this balcony, and then you can walk down these little stairs here to get down here and over to the jacuzzi and all of that area. You can just walk up those stairs to get over there to that little sitting area. And I also wanted to mention that the other room do have a little patio area as well. So yeah, let's go back upstairs. And a lot of stairs, you guys. I get so tired. So there you have it. This is my house in LA. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I will see you guys in my... I will see you guys later. So bye. It's time for you to go. Get out. Boop, boop, boop.
I wanna be with you. Me, just love me. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still?